Yeah, Todd's back.
That was a little bomb that just went off right as we're coming back.
Yeah, I was like, oh.
We're talking fantasy football.
Fine.
It's
the season.
almost
It's
football
the season.
season.
1 week from Thursday.
That's
In case you're counting.
That's right, and it's here on NBC, right?
It is, yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. KC and
Detroit
the Lions.
There it is. Where the thumbs that button?
Yeah, the
All right,
Lions.
We'll talk more about this Thursday. We'll talk about our picks and
Yeah, that'll be fun.
get people signed up.
We got a couple of so-so days tomorrow, especially, and then we get a great stretch, Goldie, and it looks like it's going to last into the holiday weekend too. So, things to look forward to. We do have some rogue and renegade showers passing through the state right now, well out ahead of a frontal boundary, but we are going to be a little damp early on here. Isolated showers still lingering in the Portland area. Most of them are offshore and grazing the mid-coast. Eastern Maine, we had some wet weather come through Bangor not too long ago. A lot of the showers now are moving east through Hancock and into Washington counties, but there are still some sprinkles down in Penobscot Bay near Castine and Verona Island. So we have a frontal boundary to our south, another one working in from the west. We're going to be in between the two today. We'll start out with clouds. We'll work in some drier air briefly for some sun, and then there's a chance for a late day storm up in the mountains. There's the hurricane, the first one, Hurricane Franklin. It's powerful right now. It's going to curl away from us, but it is going to continue to throw moisture into the northeast, and we'll wring it out late tonight and tomorrow with some heavy downpours. Cloudy and damp start here on this Tuesday morning, and a few of those passing showers, but a lot of them will be gone by the time you hit the roads. It's muggier. You can start to feel it in the air when you leave the house this morning. You'll notice humidity levels on the rise. Midday, a lot of the clouds that are present right now will be burning off to sunshine, and a lot of us will see sunshine. It won't be overly warm. We'll only hit the mid-70s, but it is going to be stickier out there. And then during the afternoon and evening, it's going to depend all about your location. If you live along the coastline or close to it, I expect a low cloud bank or fog bank to work back in and cut off sunshine end of the day. If you're up in the mountains, there may be a shower or thunderstorm. In between, still hanging on to sunshine until after sunset, and all those clouds come pouncing in. We'll have some temperatures that'll reach about the mid and upper 70s inland, Bangor 76, warm spot Freiburg at 79. Cooler along the coastline with a light onshore breeze all day long. And there may be some spots along the coast that actually don't break into sun at all, or maybe just flirt with a little sun from time to time. Tomorrow, that frontal boundary is coming through. I do expect some tropical downpours in here. Could be some rumbles of thunder. Amounts could exceed an inch in a short period of time, so we'll have to keep an eye on some of the drains. There could be some drainage flooding issues. But by Thursday morning, that front is well offshore, kicking the hurricane out there. There's the second tropical system breaking down off of the Carolinas. We've got a big ridge of high pressure for us. That's going to give us a ton of sunshine, very pleasant air. It's going to feel like mid to late September with warm days and cool, dry, crisp nights. By the end of the weekend, though, it looks like some heat has a chance to burst in here. And we'll see our temperatures over the weekend climb up to 80 and probably beyond by Labor Day itself. It could be a really sweet finish to this summer, and we kind of deserve it. Look at this beautiful looking hurricane on the satellite. It's a powerful Category 4. It's pivoting around Bermuda. It's not going to hit land. Great news, but it's going to throw some big swell our way through the end of the week. If you're at the beaches, and a lot of you will be, watch out for rip currents and large crashing waves. The bigger story is Idalia, which will be making landfall, it looks like, tomorrow morning or midday as a Category 3 major hurricane for the panhandle of Florida. Again, lots of wind, storm surge, and rain for Florida. Marine forecast right there, water temp 64. Here's our forecast. Turns partly sunny today, high temperatures in the mid-70s. Tomorrow, showers and downpours at near 70. And then it gets sweet, dry and comfortable for Thursday and Friday in the 70s. Lots of sun over the weekend. 75 to 80 on Saturday, around 80 on Sunday, and Labor Day actually could be pretty hot with temperatures well into the 80s, maybe pushing 90.
Wow.
Isn't that just so weird and suitable for this summer?
And appropriate. Yeah.
Inappropriate.
Yeah. Memorial Day, Labor Day.
Exactly. And everything else in the middle
Two best weekends
was junk.
of the year. All right. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.